so we have Divyansh Khatana amongst us. He came here, he understood the whole philosophy of how to prepare for SSB. As we have all learned, the philosophy is how to improve our perception, our understanding, how to refine and enhance our character, how to think like a state changer, how to be creative and out of the box thinker. So he will share his experiences of how and what he learned in the academy itself. What did he do? And his experiences of its result in the SSB, if there is any, I don't know. So he will share with you. So please focus and listen to him so that you learn what you have to do here and how it helps you. I was just talking to him and he was telling that how open and truthful he was, how spontaneous he was while writing the story. He just didn't rattle any story. I keep telling you every time, don't rattle the story. Just write there then. He did that. I'm not saying do it because I am saying. I'm saying because that is the truth. The truth is that every time you think of a different idea, a better idea, a fresh idea, otherwise, it will not click with the picture, it will not click with the environment, the present time. And it will give you a stale impression to the other person. Stale, basa, fresh. That's why I say, once you want to write WAT, take one word and write 5 words, 10 sentences. The same, you will see. And forget them. Next time when it comes, you write them. Same goes for one picture, write 3 stories. And forget that. Don't रटो. कौन रटता है? जो डरा हुआ है, जिसको भरोसा नहीं होता. You can come up with new stories all the time. So we just talking, and while talking, I came to know. I tell you all the time. that you know WAT का बड़ा डर रहता है और बहुत सारे लोग मिस कर जाते हैं. बहुत 15 से 18 सबके छूटते हैं. रट्टा मारा हुआ है, ये लिखना ये नहीं लिखना. उसमें एक चीज जो बहुत उभर के आती है वो क्या, आप अगर ब्लैक के बारे में सोच रहे हो और ब्लैक में घुस जाओगे तो ब्लैक आउट हो जाओगे भाई. तो ब्लैक ही के बारे में सोचना है. लेकिन ब्लैक से उठने वाले जो टॉपिक्स हैं, इसमें ब्लैक मनी भी हो सकता है, इसमें रेसिज्म भी हो सकता है, इसमें ब्यूटी भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि ब्यूटी का परसेप्शन लोगों का अलग है. तो इसको ब्लैक को जरा समाज में देखो तो अपना व्यू याद आ जाएगा. समाज मतलब देश और दुनिया. वाटर, तो वाटर को हम देख रहे हैं तो वाटर में देखेंगे तो डूब ही जाएंगे. वाटर को क्या देखना, ब्लैक में देखोगे ब्लैक आउट, वाटर में देखोगे तो डूब जाओगे भाई. वाटर को देखने का नजरिया समाज में देखो, इंडिया में देखो वाटर को तो बोलोगे इंटरलिंकिंग ऑफ रिवर्स विल इंप्रूव द वाटर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री. फिर उसको समाज में देखोगे तो बोलोगे कि वाटर मैनेजमेंट और रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कैन इंप्रूव द ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल. बिकॉज ये आपका बना हुआ है, इसको निकालने का तरीका समझा रहे. ये तो सब आपका ही, दौलत आपकी, आइडियाज आपके, तो क्या बाहर निकालने का तरीका समझा. तो मैं जो इंटरेक्शन के दौरान आपसे बात कर रहा था उस वक्त कुछ पॉइंट्स मिले, कुछ फिर वही पॉइंट जब इन्होंने दोहराए तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे आपसे शेयर करना चाहिए. सो रेस्ट ही विल टॉक टू यू. ओवर टू हिम once again. Please welcome him.
First of all, thank you, sir, and hello everyone. I'm Divyansh. So I got recommended for NDA 147, and it was my first attempt and also the last attempt for NDA. So I got recommended from 5AFSB, and it was like it all started with from last year. So I had missed filling the form for Indy 146 by my own mistake, and then I realized it what I've done. So I came across Lakshya Academy channel and I started following sir. And that time, like in a lockdown, I had become I would say my role play was not good in short. So I realized I must work on this. So I was in 12th standard. I felt that this is something I can do along with my studies. So like in a way, sir says like be a good son, a good friend, like that. So I kept improving that, and after that, after my written exam, so I introspected myself, like sir tells us various things, writing your own story of life, like that, and in a way. Then I joined the online batch also. So there we had online group. We used to do brainstorming a lot. Like you all must be aware of 5-year CC, and I would say first of all, it's not a tool. It's not just a tool made for SSB. My perception is completely changed for it after getting recommended, especially because I feel sir has a very, sir has this vision to make us good leaders, not just get recommended in SSB, to change the status. And I realized that only. So we used to do brainstorming on issues like our education system, how it can be improved. Being a principal, you are principal of a school, so how you will bring solutions to it. 5 challenges, 5 solutions, 25 total points, and new ideas. That way, I even explored my creativity. Everyone told me that you can think of creative ideas like that. And we even took connectivity, like thinking of the subject related to a word or something, to another level. We used to give each other 20 seconds and think of as many topics as you can to make it more spontaneous. And also thinking of solutions related to something like it's water. The water, say rainwater harvesting, like that we used to do. And as for the stories, I remember it was online batch, so my first interaction with sir. So it was a picture like an old lady was there, 2 old ladies are there, and one boy is showing like this to them. It's a kacha house behind in the background. So I just saw my life. I don't remember what instinct it was. So I realized of an incident so I made a story ki, he shifted to a new village. So he sees कि उसकी grandmother adopt नहीं कर पा रही है नई village में because she's been living there. तो मतलब वो एक मेरे साथ real life में हुआ था. I got shifted, तो I made a story on that. So how she adapts to it. I even added village life, how village life is there. तो मतलब sir told me कि एक conference होने वाली story है, and I listened to the feedback he gave to others. Most importantly, तो मुझे उसी से clear idea हो गया था कि okay, story is to be like this. It's not like something कि मतलब imagine करो ऐसे करो, but the truth of your life, your experiences, your visions, your beliefs, your experience also broadly, not just what you did, but you have seen, you have heard of, or you maybe it's your vision, you want to do it like that. And it went all good. Preparation was like this only. Then I came to offline batch, and sir told me to come again because my interaction maybe was not good. I was a little bit shy. So next time I came again, so that time I worked on it. तो मैंने इवन ग्रुप डिस्कशन में भी अपना खुद थोड़ा आइडिया निकाला हाउ आई शुड इम्प्रूव इट. तो आई इवन चेंज माई अप्रोच. आई वुड से आई वुड रियली एक्सेप्ट इट कि अर्लियर आई वाज कंपेयरिंग विद अदर्स, बट देन आई फेल्ट कि आई हैव टू टेक माई ग्रुप फॉरवर्ड, like team spirit is to be there. So that thing I worked out, and that time I did like various things like observation. Sir says intense observation. Like you enter the room and you see how like everything is placed properly or not, and that is what status changes. Like sir just no said, so that thing is there, and like also helping out others. So like that we did. If there were some others, so we were helping them out constantly. Someone who is not good with English, so we were helping them in group. Utilize my time properly there, and mostly one more thing like I did, sir says कि ऐसे solution लाओ, status change करना. So we used to go to have juice in the evening somewhere, our group. So I used to see how I can change the status of the juice shop, and I even came up with solution. मैंने अपना interaction फिर ऐसे बढ़ाया सबसे, like with my batchmates, and it really helped me. It got me a lot of self-confidence. And meanwhile, I also read some good books, and also I read Bhagavad Gita. I had seen Sir always has Bhagavad Gita on his table, so it compelled me also to read it. So I read it, and I realized like I almost overcame my anxiety, stress, and all. And I just realized that this what sir, the lesson sir has been giving to us. So it's like he just doesn't want us to clear SSB, but he has a greater vision behind it. तो मुझे ये था कि I had got self confidence कि हाँ जो भी होगा I will manage it, I will embrace it. I'm not at all afraid. So I went to my SSB, and also like I used to do some थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा कि जर्नल बनाया, उसमें डेली अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिखा, लाइफ का कोई मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस, एनी एक्सपीरियंस, और राइटिंग सम, लाइक आई वाज नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर, तो मैंने उसका इंटरेस्ट भी ऐसे बनाया कि आई यूज्ड टू टेक हेडलाइंस और मैं उस पर ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करता था। फिर मैं दिस वे इट यूज्ड टू टेक मी 4 आवर्स टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर, बट आई डिड दिस वे ओनली एंड इट बिकेम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So this way I did some new things, I tried it, and I also made a goal book of my own. Like I wrote what are the goals in my daily life. Like it's simplest of goals. Like I go to play badminton, so we have to prepare the goal like that. I have to reduce weight. Like I have to teach my sister, younger sister, like that. And I made a list of 70 to 80 goals. So I realized like what kind of person I am. What are the goals in my life? I had introspected very well, and all my everything, and everyone was telling me, okay, like senses, they had said, okay, you are doing good. So I went to SSB, and and also like for story, okay, I will tell you later. So I went to SSB on 10th of October, and 67 reported there, and OIR it was fine. And then the picture shown to us, there were 2 chaps, they were in casual uniform, and 1 girl of about 15 age, and they were in casual uniform and in library. So people were making different stories, most of them made on NDA preparation. So I recommended कि okay, we can make story on that. It went good, and I just thought of that I have to cooperate with group and add value to it. That's it. And sometimes, and I would say you should keep your tone soft. Like you should not. You have. It's like sir says कि कोई भी चीज होती है, it's challenge. तुम अपनी बात को रखना, that is also a challenge. और उसका solution तुम्हें खुद निकालना है. So like I feel I'm in general a very calm, chill person. So like being natural, it really helps. So I did that only. So it went well, and I added points like it has been legalized for girls also to give NDA. So I gave such points that it went very well, and I was sure I am getting screened. And it was a very funny incident also there. Like they were telling the names, and when they tell the name, the person was to carry their luggage. And I was already carrying my luggage. I was so sure that screening तो नहीं होगा. So I got screened and it went well. So in AFSB they take side tests on the first day only, and they hardly gave us any time, and they did a lot of documentation. So at around 5:30 p.m. our side test started, and in TAT, like I would say I just see my life in the picture. I had only done one dossier. Like and during entire preparation, that was at Lakshya Academy, and because I had been doing well in my life, so I felt I don't need to practice stories much, but I used to just do for the time I want to practice. That I'm able to write on time, like taking one picture every day and writing 3-4 stories on it, and one more picture that was my like something I saw today. Like I come here, so like I have seen this memorable picture of a day, I used to call it. So I used to write a story on that also, something I saw today, and like that. And also following the structure like sir has told us, character goal, challenges and solution, and solution should be creative, and goals I would say should somehow match with our life. Like they should, that's why sir says कि अपने experience को थोड़ा लिखो, याद करो, because it's our experiences only in some way or another. So like there was a picture, two men are fighting and one lady is behind. So I just saw my life into that picture. So I realized like how my father helped my uncle to get rid of alcohol. So I made a story on that only and creative solutions, and like how he helps him by helping him socialize, inclining him to spirituality like that. I just like this only simple stories but creative solutions related to somehow related to my life. And like if there's a picture, like just money, some notes are there in a hand. So what I came to my mind, what it means to me, what like I have planned to, how I plan to help my parents in their goal. Somehow I made a story like that, and I had no preconceived idea. I was very sure ki like I have to just see my life in the picture. That's it. And it's not picture. It should be like very. It should look very refreshing. Like Sir says, the idea is the most powerful thing in this world. So good ideas, creative ideas, new ideas, original ideas. It went well, and I was able to complete on time. Then in that I did 58, and I would say like Sir says, experiential learning, your experiences. So what you are doing recently, it will your psyche will remain like that in recent coming time. So I had been reading good books, everything. So I did connectivity, and even at few places, what sir has told us, like being status stranger, ऐसे तो ऐसे कुछ point भी आ गए थे उसमें. It came naturally. The first thought came, I wrote it. That's it. And in SRT I even had the time to go back and fill them, but I felt like I should be honest. I should be very honest here. So it went like that, and in SRT I was able to do 30 only. We had really started getting exhausted a bit because it was on the same day only. So, but I did 30. I could have done more, and sir had told us to do continuously 1 to 30. I didn't miss any SRT in between, and I can really assure like all of them were my own. What I would actually do if the life has to put the same thing in front of me. Like there's a thing like classmates are not talking to you, something like that. So what I will do, I will like focus on my work, ignore them for some time, and we'll get along gradually. Like 3-4 actions in every part. What I will naturally do, I wrote like that only, nothing exaggeration like that. And SD, I was like there are 5 paragraphs in SD. Parents' opinion, teachers' opinion, my opinion, and friends' opinion, and what's your aim, like that. So I was not able to finish the last one, but I feel the way I covered my SD, so it would have been very clear what's my aim, but I was not able to complete it properly. And like I took 1 month to prepare my SD. Like somewhere I'm going somewhere. A point would come in my mind कि हाँ यार मैं ऐसा भी तो मैं उसको phone में type कर लेता था notes में. Like I'm with my friends, so there is some behavior that often comes that manifests. So I would write that. Like that I did 5-point per section in everyone. उसमें भी brainstorming किया कि like how is my behavior, like that, giving examples, enough examples, 3-4 examples in every point, whatever I had mentioned. And what are the improvements I could do, and what Commodore sir tells us, it's very like the structure he tells us, it gives a very holistical view about ourselves. So I followed that, it went well. So then the next day I had my interview, and for interview also I didn't prepare anything, and there were people like from different academies, and they were like, they used to talk to themselves. मैं कहता मैं किससे बात कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसे करके कि लाइक सर ऐसे वो पूरा रटते थे पूरा. तो बट आई डिडंट डू दैट. आई वाज श्योर कि मेरी क्या वीकनेसेस हैं, हाउ आई हैव प्लान टू ओवरकम देम, व्हाट आर माय स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड व्हाई सो, लाइक दैट. एंड लाइक एज आई टोल्ड, आई हैड मिस्ड फिलिंग द फॉर्म लास्ट ईयर. तो ही आस्क्ड मी, सीइंग माय मार्क्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई सेड ट्रूथ सर, आई डिड अ मिस्टेक दैट, एंड हाउ आई compensated for it, how I improved after that, and why my marks went down. I said truth only, sir, this I did. I said okay, and even there are various things like one thing I observed, like like me and the other person who got recommended from my batch. So in our interview, sir, tried to pressurize us because we were like saying truth only. Others were lying, manipulating. But he asked me very new questions that I had never expected could come. तो मैंने इसलिए प्रिपेयर भी नहीं किया था. I went naturally, जो मैं ट्रूथ बोल रहा है. And there were some new questions like he asked me 5 BRCC क्या है अच्छा, तो मैं बताया. So he noted 5-point perception and brainstorming so much like he asked me अच्छा what are the 5 qualities in a pilot should have, like that. And likewise he often asked me, and also it went like that only. तो मैं थोड़ा प्रेशराइज भी किया था बीच में कि like something I said कि that's why I did so and so. So he said no, it's not like that. But I was sure कि I am saying the truth, so I was not afraid. So it went fine, and in the end he asked me any suggestions. So I said, sir, I will brainstorm it and tell you later. So he said okay, very good, okay. So it went fine. Then on the 4th day we had our GTO. So it started with group discussion. So in group discussion, I'll tell you what I did, how I approached later on after going from here. So earlier I used to get blank on a topic, कि how to think on that topic. मतलब सर इसमें ऐसा नहीं, इसमें like sir had told us कि all the 3 leads, they are right in their own way. You have to just prove कि why the one you have chosen is more stronger according to you. So the lead I choose, I used to do connectivity on it. Like मुझे topic मिला कि like the topic was Kashmir issue, how it could be resolved. And the first lead was through political will, second was the military dominance, third was the bilateral talk. So I took political will, I did connectivity on it. कि political will से क्या आता है, human resource development, employment, education, transport, technology, good leadership, all these things come. And I formulated them with the help of recent news and what has happened. Like that I did, and I was coming up with broader ideas. I saw that, and others were just then explaining my points only. I observed this. And I was very respectful and used soft tone, and we had also got a good bonding over the 3-4 days. So it was a very cooperative, healthy discussion, and like that, I spoke for 3-4 times, but there were strong points, and like that it went. And there are 2 group discussions, so they both went like this, they were fine. Then in GPE I did a mistake. I would say it also came out to be what I used to say, like what was my weakness. So the mistake I did was the scale it is there, 5 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. So मैंने उसको किलोमीटर ही ले लिया गलती से. And like that, फिर मैं ये सोच रहा था कि सामने वाले को लेके जाना और 100 किलोमीटर कैसे ले जाएंगे उसको 1 घंटे में. So that was a mistake I did there, and I realized later कि मतलब what silly mistake I had done. And for a while it was such a shock कि क्या कर दिया मैंने, मतलब इतनी blunder कर दी. Then the discussion started and I was setting blank, मेरा plan कुछ पूरा नहीं हुआ था. तो उस discussion में I spoke nothing. I was thinking something कि यार यहाँ से जाऊँगा, यहाँ से फिर कौन से SSB आ रहे हैं, मैं ये सोचने लग गया था कि कहाँ पे, चलो कौन से कॉलेज में कौन सा कोर्स मिल रहा है वो सोच रहा था मैं ये सब. But then I realized something कि what instinct it was कि I remembered something कि मतलब my father has told us, sir has told us, my friends have told us कि never regret, just bounce back. And मतलब गलतियाँ होती हैं, it's more important what you do after that. तो I realized ठीक है चलो कोई नहीं, जो हो गया fine, sorted on. ठीक है, now I will not think of what the result would be, I'll just do it. Then we went for PGT, and in PGT like 2-3 chaps were there, they were just running away, taking fatta only, they were not listening to others' ideas. So starting में तो दूसरा obstacle पर हो गया था. And also I would say like what I realized, our behavior also matters there. It's a reflection of our life only, how we are in our life. तो मैं जैसे लोड हमेशा पीछे छोड़ देते, तो मैं उसको लोड को लेके आ रहा होता था हमेशा, because it was a member of our group. How you respect the rules, like sir tells us, it everything matters there a lot. How you act with your group. And so like that, and Belchak insert था तो मतलब I felt I even taught Belchak insert the day before to my group buddies. So they even they got to know कि चलो क्या होता है, तो सब सोच पाए कि सबको आइडिया आता है वहाँ पे जाके ब्लैंक ना हो, तो इट वेंट फाइन. तो मैंने आइडिया दे दिया वहाँ भी. ऐसे एक दो बार तो क्या हुआ कि वो बंदा किसी कोचिंग से आया था, तो लाइक सर हैड टोल्ड अस कि ओके यू क्लाइंब ऑन दैट स्ट्रक्चर, बट ही वेंट फॉरवर्ड कि आई विल टेक इनिशिएटिव लाइक दैट. वो ऐसी बातें करता था थोड़ी, बट ही जस्ट रन अवे, बट लाइक दैट हैपेंड. एंड आई वुड से a point comes when the group definitely sucks at a point, at third obstacle probably. So वहाँ पे if you have the idea, you will definitely be considered. So you don't have to worry कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है अपना, मतलब be natural there, just as you are. So I did like that only. My idea was considered in third obstacle as well as fourth obstacle. Even in third obstacle, sir helped us do this, and then in fourth when we were stuck, I have planned that only. So sir said very good, okay, go. He said to me very good, it was a good idea. Then we went for HGT. Hopefully those 2-3 chaps were not there who were running away in my group. So we considered everyone's idea. Every 4 of us were there. Everyone's idea was considered in HGT. It went very well. And in the end, they were to recover us. So I applied Belchak insert. So it went fine. So I said very good. It happened in a fraction of a second. Earlier they were stuck, so I told them do this, like that. So ban gaya, so okay. Then we went for lecture 8 that day only. So it was the last activity of that day, and the topic I got was the time is the best healer. Time is the best healer. So like sir says कि nation को ऐसा बोलो कि I love my nation, ऐसे अपनी सोच में nation को लाओ. Do this much of brainstorming, everything. Have that good character. तो मुझे मतलब ऑटोमेटिकली ये चीज़ आई, नेशन से मैं रिलेट कर दिया. एंड मैंने मतलब ऐसे करा कि हाउ वी हैव हील्ड, हाउ इंडिया हैज़ हील्ड इन पास्ट 75 years आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. आई स्टार्टेड इट लाइक दैट, एंड आई डिडंट थिंक ऑफ एनी पॉइंट आफ्टर गोइंग आउट फॉर 3 minutes. ना मैंने कुछ प्रिपरेशन की, बस मैंने ये स्ट्रक्चर प्लान किया मैं कैसे स्ट्रक्चर करूँगा सर. I thought of some domains like education, medical, employment, transportation, and connectivity like that. And on each of that domain, I gave the points in the recent news how we have overcome like COVID, vaccination, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Ayushman Bharat, like that. And also gave my ideas like we had done so much of brainstorming, so ideas थे काफी. तो अपने ideas थे 2-3. So it was covered very well. So it went fine. But then also others were saying that you went like your lecture was irrelevant of the topic. Time is the best healer topic था, तू कहाँ चला गया? I go okay भाई ठीक है maybe. So then the last day came. Then we had command task. So in command task I was called in the last. So मतलब जैसे 2 chaps were there, they were a bit shy. तो मतलब उनका ग्रुप में इंटरेक्शन अच्छा नहीं था. और मुझे एक ने बुलाया था मुझे तो पहले, मतलब पता नहीं आई डोंट नो इफ इट मैटर्स और नॉट, बट उनको किसी ने नहीं बुलाया था. एंड दैट टाइम आई फेल्ट कि यार इफ आई हैडंट इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ इन पास्ट 1 year, आई सॉ माई जर्नी फ्लैश लाइक दैट, एंड आई रियलाइज आई वुड हैव एंडेड अप लाइक दैट देन प्रोबेबली. तो मैंने उनको बुला लिया. तो सर आज नहीं कि व्हाई डिड यू कॉल देम, दे डिडंट कॉल मी, क्योंकि बाकी सबने सेटिंग कर रखी थी. 3-4 लोग ही बार जा रहे थे. तो आई कॉल्ड देम, तो इट वेंट फाइन. इवन ही आस्क्ड मी कि व्हाट आर योर 3 takeaways फ्रॉम Lakshya Academy. Like he asked, did you take any coaching? I said yes sir. So he said what are your 3 takeaways? So I said sir, first of all Satyam is there, truth always wins, and being truthful to ourselves. Secondly, we have to become good in our lives. SSB is just a subset of it. When I am good in my life, I don't have to worry about it. And thirdly, we have to become status changes in our life. So it went fine. And it went fine. Then individual obstacle I was not well that time. I could do 4 out of 10. So he said कि यार तुम इतने लंबे हो क्या फायदा है हाइट का. तो मतलब I also felt कि within mask I was smiling कि हाँ कह तो सही है मतलब 4 ही कर रहे मैंने बस, बाकी सब ने 10, 9 ऐसे कर रहे थे. तो it was fine. और final group task was there. तो उसमें काफ़ी सबसे difficult obstacle था. तो उसमें सर ने कहा कि इट्स द लास्ट चांस फॉर ऑल ऑफ दोज हु हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू प्रूव देमसेल्फ. तो आई फेल्ट कि आई हैव डन इनफ सो फार. तो आगे औरों को चांस देना चाहिए यार. मतलब मैं पीछे हट गया रोल लेके पहले ही, औरों को ठीक है ओके लेट देम डू. तो आई डिड दैट, दे डिड समहाउ, बट इन द एंड लाइक सर सेड तो सब चले गए पहले ही, बट दे डिडंट रिट्रीव. मतलब दैट मतलब I was natural there, so I stood there only. I have to retrieve them. Why are they going? And then sir said that only. Why are you all come? Will you leave, abandon your buddies there? They are stuck in between. So he said good to me, very good there also. It went fine. Then I was not thinking of result. Because of interview I was a bit sad. Because interview sir, like he was, in other interview he was talking to them like smiling. तो उस time थोड़ा होता है कि उससे थोड़ा ऐसे बात की, मुझे थोड़ा हो गया था थोड़ा like that happened. It was fine. Then conference came, and in conference I was called. So president sir asked me, and also like in interview I would say at one point when sir asked me about my weaknesses, so 2-3 points I had forgotten to say. And in SSB I had already like realized कि हाँ ये गलती तो करी है ही यार. So he asked me, President sir, I just came, he asked me, tell me your 3 weaknesses. So I said, sir, first time management, secondly, sometimes I'm not alert, I miss things, sometimes it happens, and third, I sometimes get excited if anything good happens. So he said, how will you like improve them? So I had already knew these things. I had brainstormed कि मैं कैसे करूँगा. मैं लाइफ में कर रहा था, मैंने टाइम के बता दिया, सर I will use alarm clock method, alternate day scheduling, not over committing, taking power naps, like that. मैंने 7-8 solution बता दिए, तीनों पॉइंट, तीनों वीकनेसेस की मैं कैसे करूँगा. ऑल प्रैक्टिकल आइडियाज, ओरिजिनल आइडियाज जो मैंने प्लान करे हैं. तो लाइक दैट. तो ही सेड ओके गुड, एंड देन ही आस्क्ड मी एनी सजेशंस. तो आई गिव अ सजेशन लाइक अदर ग्रुप स्टूडेंट दे यूज्ड टू स्लीप लेट थोड़ा. तो आई सेड सर वी कुड हैव अ फॉल इन अर्ली मॉर्निंग, डू अ बिट योगा, वॉक लाइक दैट. So that there will be accountability will be there like that. And waiting room के लिए मैं थोड़ा देता, and there was only one phone, and people there also they were saying कि नहीं यार suggestion नहीं देना, इतनी बड़ी रैंक पे ऑफिसर है कैसा लेगा ही लेगा. But I myself felt कि वहाँ पे एक ही फोन था तो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो I said sir there is only one phone, there should be at least 3-4 phones there like that I said. And 1-2 points और थे I don't remember. तो वहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कर ली थी, as I had said to interviewer sir. तो ऐसे तो he said okay needful shall be done, he said to me. And that moment I really felt कि I'm getting recommended, I just felt it. So results were announced. So when he said, मतलब I had even prepared myself. So I calmed myself down, calmed my nerves down कि okay whatever be the result I am prepared for forward. I enjoyed it there also, and आगे भी SSB आएंगे और नहीं भी होगा तो काफ़ी कुछ है. I will संभाल लूँगा, I am not afraid, I will embrace it. I will embrace the result no matter what. तो result हुआ तो I was very happy. For a moment I couldn't realize, and then suddenly entire 5-year thing it flashed in a second, like my experience here, how I worked, and everything that flashed. It was a very happy moment. And it went fine. But after that also I would say don't get relaxed, because for medical में भी incident है, like I got unfit for flying because of my setting height. It was exceeding by 3 centimeters. So even for that is what solution orientedness is. I found solution for that. I reduced my hips and thighs weight for that, and I legit reduced it by 2 centimeters. But still like this it's already, if you add up fat later on, it will be a problem for you only. So then I got fit for army, and I'm very happy for it. And so I felt कि like even earlier I used to think कि SSB जाएंगे यार मतलब सेट हो जाएगा एक बार select हो गए. But I think it doesn't end here. And that's what we have learned here at Lakshya. And we should have a vision that we have to be a status singer till the end. And like 5 takeaways mine from SSB and this entire preparation, like be alert always, have intense observation, and never think of results. Like we are being solution oriented, goal oriented. There might be times we may not get our goals. So do not like attach yourself with the result, be it whatsoever. Just have strong determination and be always think of what could be done, what could be a solution, and always think I have to perform along with my friends, not me, not I, but we. That my group, entire group has to recommend. सबको academy आगे साथ में जाएंगे. I had this only this in my mind. And even at Lakshya also the buddies were there. They were like brothers. One chap was there. He was very shy, so I held him and now he's very happy though he didn't get selected. But he's been doing well in his life, and that's a sigh of relief for me. So these are the things, and being truthful, fifth month, being truthful, and rest is all fine. You just
Thank you.